Welcome back to the channel.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to store your roller without having to wash it.
If you're new to the channel, my name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, and painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Let's get into this video.
If you're painting out of a paint tray, what you want to do is get a piece of plastic or a plastic grocery bag and then roll up your roller when it has a little bit of paint. You just want to wrap it real tight. So there you go. That's good to go overnight. Now if you're painting out of a 5-gallon bucket, my favorite way to do it is just to pop it off the roller handle and sink it in the paint. You're going to want to clean your paint grid, because if you leave that in the bucket, it's going to start to dry from the air in the bucket, and then you're going to get chunks all over in your paint. So you want to clean this, set it to the side. So what you want to do is you're going to want to just tap this on the side and it should fall right off. And then you just sink it. So you're good to go. Today's Friday, so this is going to be all weekend in the paint, and when we come back, we'll be painting again. So I'm outside. This would be difficult to do in a sink in someone's house, so use a water hose and a sprayer and clean your equipment up. Definitely prolongs the life of all your equipment, and you have a nice paint job without a lot of paint chips and chunks in your paint. That's the last thing you want.
Let me know in the comments if you're a DIYer, a contractor, painter, handyman. Just kind of curious. And if you keep watching to the end of the video, I'll show you some tips and tricks to keep your customers happy.
I always like to leave it a nice clean area when I'm done. This will all soak in. I'll rinse it down one more time. Now that's ready to go for the next day or over the weekend.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I get the roller nap back out of the bucket of paint. You want to keep a wet rag to wipe your finger off, because you're going to get a little paint on you. So you push the roller handle down into the roller and then use the bucket as leverage to push it in. Roll out the excess paint before you start painting. Now you just wipe your fingers off and you're ready to paint, just like that.
If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments, and I'll try and answer as many comments and questions as I can. All right, so you can tell all the water soaked into the ground. There's no paint on the ground. I like to leave a nice, clean area when I'm done painting for a customer. And one other thing that customers really love, I always make sure to roll up their water hose, even if it wasn't rolled up when I showed up on the job.
And if you want to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep keep up with all my latest videos. If you've got a friend that's a contractor or DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks so much for watching.